This is what Seth Godin says. The more people trust you and pay attention to you today than since 6 months ago. And what are you going to do between now and 6 months from now that's going to radically change the number of people and how deeply they pay attention and trust you? The minimal viable audience idea comes from Seth Godin. Now, the minimal viable audience means you creating something and engaging with the smallest people possible. Don't worry about crowding everyone in and getting, Wembley Stadium in there. Focus more on the individual. What are 2 indicators to know when to stop and when to keep going? Number 1, you need to ask yourself, has someone else done something similar to this? Doesn't have to be the same thing, but something similar. If other people have been on the same path, and again, if you don't know them in person, you probably know them at the library, what were the signals?